Ciao Tesla people! Today I'm going to do a 400 kilometers road trip to Abruzzo from Florence, mostly highway. Now I'm going to the supercharger to charge up. I wouldn't need it because I'm already at 47%, but I want to stop near Rome, so I don't want to stop to Arezzo where there is another supercharger. That's why I'm going to charge right now. And then most likely I'm going to stop to another supercharger, which is in Carsoli, and right on the edge of the two region, Lazio, where is Rome, and Abruzzo, where I'm going. There is a supercharger off the highway, so I want to check it out that too. And so let's go to charge, and then we'll do the time lapse of the highway and all the way to next charge. And some scenery. Today is a beautiful day. It's 16 degrees right now, but it's going to be pretty warm, okay? So, I'll see you in a bit. So, I just got to the supercharger here in Florence. Let's charge. There are other 2-3 cars, and it's blue. Green, cool. So on the way here, it was saying that there were only 3 stalls, but I guess it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or 5 stalls empty, so which is good. Now it says that charging set to 80% because high usage supercharger station, but I'm going to charge more than that because I'm doing a 400 kilometer trip. So anyway, so let's continue to charge and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay, done. The session is done. Paid 21 euros. I charge 42 kilowatts, which is pretty good. And that's it. Close it and done. So now I go home, I pack, and then I go to Abruzzo, 400 kilometers trip. I want to stop at Magliano Sabina, which I usually stop there, which is close to Rome, and then maybe another supercharger in Carsoli, which is in Abruzzo, off the highway, and to check it out too. And that's it. So I'll see you in a bit, and I'm going to do a time lapse of the highway trip. I just got to the Magliano Sabina Supercharger and I'm charging 107. It started 190. I'm at 30%. I will charge not that much because I want to stop at the Carsoli. Oh, here the Supercharger is 0.53 kilo per kilowatts hour. Okay, different from this morning. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. So I'm at the Carsoli Supercharger and it's charging 145 kilowatts, 45%. Yeah, I'm going to charge to maybe 80. We'll see. Let me get out and everything's doing right. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stall, and they're all 150 kilowatts. Pretty cool. I like it. So I just got home and the trip was good. I stopped at the supercharger in Carsoli, 8 stall, 150 kilowatts each. It was pretty good. There is a restaurant close by, so it's nice. I didn't eat there, but it's nice to have some facilities. And everything good. The trip was good. It took a little bit longer because we stopped twice and we stopped longer than we thought, but that's okay. Anyway, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, turn on notification, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.